What is chatgpt?
I am ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI. I have been trained on vast amounts of text data and can perform a variety of natural language processing tasks, including answering questions, generating text, and translating languages. I'm designed to understand and respond to human language in a way that feels natural and intuitive, and my capabilities are continually being expanded and improved through ongoing research and development.
How to work chatgpt?
To use ChatGPT, you can interact with me through a chat interface or API. If you are using a chat interface, such as a website chatbot or messaging app, simply type in your question or message, and I will respond with an appropriate answer or response. If you are using an API, you can send a request to the API with your question or message, and I will respond with a text-based response. Some APIs may also allow you to specify additional parameters or options to customize your interaction with me. When interacting with me, it's helpful to be clear and concise with your questions and messages, and to use correct spelling and grammar. This will help me better understand your intent and provide more accurate responses.
How to help it?
As an AI language model, I am constantly learning and improving through interactions with people like you. Here are some ways that you can help me improve. Provide feedback. If you have a suggestion or notice a mistake in my response, let me know. You can do this by correcting me or giving a thumbs up/down to my response. This feedback helps me learn and improve my responses in the future. Ask clear questions. The clearer and more specific your questions are, the easier it is for me to understand and provide accurate responses. Use correct spelling and grammar. Using correct spelling and grammar in your questions and messages can help me better understand your intent and provide more accurate responses. Provide context. Providing additional information or context about your question can help me understand the topic better and provide more relevant responses. Use diverse and representative language. Using diverse language helps me learn and understand a wider range of topics and perspectives.
ChatGPT AI mean?
ChatGPT is an AI, artificial intelligence, language model developed by OpenAI. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to learn and perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence to complete. In the case of ChatGPT, I have been trained on vast amounts of text data using deep learning techniques, which enables me to understand and respond to human language in a way that feels natural and intuitive. I use this AI technology to understand your questions and messages, and generate text-based responses that attempt to provide relevant and helpful information. Ultimately, by providing a helpful and informative experience for users, you can build trust and credibility with your audience, which can lead to long-term growth and success for your business.
Is ChatGPT helpful for human?
Yes, ChatGPT is designed to be helpful for humans. As an AI language model, my primary purpose is to assist and provide information to users in a way that feels natural and intuitive. I can provide helpful answers to a wide variety of questions, and my responses are based on a vast amount of data, which means that I can be particularly useful in situations where users need quick answers or want to learn more about a topic. In addition to providing information and answers, ChatGPT can also be used to generate natural language text, summarize text, translate text, and even generate creative writing. These capabilities can be particularly useful for businesses, researchers, and individuals who need assistance with a variety of language-based tasks.
How to help it for promote business?
ChatGPT is primarily designed to answer questions and provide information to users. While it's not possible to directly promote a business through ChatGPT, you can use it to provide helpful information and answers to customers and clients. For example, if you have a website or app that provides a service or sells a product, you could integrate ChatGPT to help users find the information they need, answer their questions, and provide assistance with their purchase or use of your product or service. This can help improve customer satisfaction and engagement, which can in turn lead to increased sales and positive word-of-mouth promotion. Additionally, by using ChatGPT to gather feedback from customers, you can gain insights into their needs and preferences, which can help inform your business strategy and improve your product or service offerings.
ChatGPT, you're really great.
Thank you for the compliment. I am designed to assist and provide information to users, so I'm glad to hear that you find me helpful. As an AI language model, I am continually learning and improving, and I am always here to help you with your questions and provide any information that I can. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to assist you.
See you soon.
Goodbye. Don't hesitate to come back if you have any questions or need any assistance in the future.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share.